Hey everyone, I'm Josh Deane and I'm here with Richard Masawi, cocktail champion, and we're here to make 2 cocktails to get you through isolation. Today we've got the Dark Stormy and the Hot Toddy. Now, the Dark Stormy is one of my favorite cocktails. Why? Because it has coffee in it. And the other one, I didn't really know too much about it, but it's good for your immunity, and Rich is going to help tell me about that.
I will definitely help you with that one there. So the Hot Toddy in Melbourne right now in winter, Hot Toddy will be good because it's got the vitamin C from the lemons, it's got the cinnamon, which is going to be good for your anti-inflammatory, and then it's got the Manuka honey to soothe your throat. And then obviously the most important one, which is the rum, which also has some healing aspects to it, is always going to be a good thing to do.
I love rum.
So how good is rum?
Let's get it.
So we'll start off with that rum today.
Yep.
We'll go with 35 mils. Right?
So 35 ml is one of these.
It's one of those exactly when it gets to that line.
Okay, cool. There's a line in there.
There's a line in there, yeah. So yep, keep going.
I can't pour it as well as you, but...
Oh, that's perfect.
Crack.
You did really well, you did really well. And then we'll go for the Manuka honey here. We want to get that teaspoon just over on top of it, and then we'll get that push into it. Get that push, push, push. And then that's about a teaspoon there. You just make sure you clean up the top so it doesn't mess up anything.
Yep.
Put it in there.
Teaspoon.
Yeah, just a teaspoon over.
Of honey.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so how do I clean it?
Just clean up with your teaspoon, just...
I don't know.
That's fine.
There we go.
Oh, mate.
No.
That's still good. No,
that's
no,
alright.
no.
Alright, we'll see how
That's
I
good, because you're leaving that teaspoon in there.
Okay.
It's going to start soaking up and it's going to start dripping down.
Perfect.
And then the next part we need, pick your favorite lemon up out there.
Yep.
So what we really need out of here is to get that in with the both squeeze without putting the toxins from the skin in there.
Okay.
Yep, let the toxins blow out.
And this is our vitamin C.
That's the vitamin C. You just drop it in there.
Upside down?
It doesn't really matter. It's just mine, I like it upside down just to give it that extra little, display.
Yeah, of course. No, I'm going to do upside down as well.
Give that a little, 12.
I like my drinks to look good too.
Man, yeah, exactly. Even though it's got a little pop on there, that's fine. A little pop doesn't...
So we're adding some hot water into this now?
Some hot water into this now, yep. And yeah, just pour it however you pour. That is great. Oh yes, Josh, that is great pouring.
Cool,
okay, give it like a couple stirs.
Yep.
Right.
It smells really nice, actually. That's the lemon that I can smell.
Yeah, that's the lemon. Got the toxins in there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and then now we want to grab just a few cloves in here.
So we've got the cloves over here.
Yeah.
So just a couple.
Just a couple. Yep. And then if you want to go like Salt Bay with it or Clove Bay with it, just like sprinkle them in. Yeah, just give it a little twirl. Alright, so we finish off that stir, getting those cloves in, and then we just take that spoon out if we can.
Yep.
Just put it up. I'll just grab that off you actually. All good. And then we'll grab that cinnamon stick, which is that final little touch of our cocktail.
Here we go. How do I do this?
Very, very important. It's just drop it in.
Okay. Sweet.
Oh, how cool does that look? Is that a drink that you would want to drink?
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's great. So this one is the Hot Toddy.
Hot Toddy.
Hot Toddy.
Yeah.
Hot Toddy. All right.
Let's give that a little smell.
Cheers, brother. Cheers.
Smell that. Mmm.
Delicious.
Yeah.
All right. Cheers, guys.
Oh, it's delicious. So with this here,
it's very soothing. Wow.
It's soothing. So it also depends like however you like it. If you like more lemon into it, you can put 2 or 3 in there. If you like more honey, you can put more teaspoons in there as well. So that ends up to being like however you like to drink your drink.
It's really nice. Yeah, I feel like I won't poison myself as well.
You will definitely not poison yourself with that. Let's go enjoy these drinks, hey?
Thank you. Yeah, awesome. Yeah. Cheers.